Hello students, I am Ashish and today I am going to start the polynomial chapter of class 10th. Before we start the main topic, we should know the basic terms which is used in the polynomial chapter. Now first the definition of algebraic expression. Now first focus on the definition. What is algebraic expression? Here an algebraic expressions are the combinations of variables and letters with the help of arithmetic operations. Now I am going to define these terms separately. Now first consider what is variables. Variables means the value which is not fixed, means whose value changes as per the situations. Now why I have written letter here? Because variable can be represented by any letter which is used in a English alphabet. We all know that in English alphabet there are 26 letters, so in place of variable we can use any letters from A to Z. Now come on the point numbers. What is number? Number is basically whatever we know, like 1 2 3 4, real numbers, rational numbers, natural number, whole number, all of these. Okay, and arithmetic operation you all know: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So the combination of all these symbols, that is variable, number and arithmetic operation, is known as algebraic expression. Now just focus on the example 2x plus y. Just match it with the definition. Here 2 is a constant, x is a variable, y is also a variable, and plus is the arithmetic operation. So here we can see it is a combination of letter also, variable also, numbers also and arithmetic sign also. So this is a algebraic expression. Similarly x cube plus y cube, similarly p4 plus 1. For representing any algebraic expression you can use any variable, any number and any arithmetic sign. Now come on the topic polynomials. It is a very important topic for our syllabus and we should know what is polynomial. So a polynomial is an algebraic expressions having an specified variable which contains non-negative integral power, means integer which are either 0 or positive. Now just focus on the definition. What is that? A polynomial is an algebraic expression having an specified variable, means whatever polynomial you are going to write, it has an specified variable. That variable can be anything, means from A to Z you can take any variable, okay, with which contains non-negative integral power. It means that whatever the variable you are using, which power should be either 0 or positive integer, means for being a polynomial the power of the variable should be non-negative, means it should not be negative. We all know that integers can be negative also and positive also, but in case of polynomial we have to consider only positive integer as well as 0. Now come here, suppose I have taken a variable x. You can take any variable, means I have already told you from A to Z you can take any specified variable. So here I have taken only variable x. Okay, so let px be any polynomial. Okay, so this can be read as polynomial is variable x or p of x, means many students have faced problems that this px, how can we read it? So it is very simple, just read as polynomial in variable x or p of x. Now come to the point, general form of polynomial. Whenever we study new things we should know its general form. So let's focus on the general form of the polynomial. See here, px means polynomial in variable x, and here a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus and so on up to an xn, or px an xn plus an minus 1 x to power n minus 1 plus dot 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 a1x plus a naught. The above written statement is known as the general form of the polynomial. So most of the student will think why I have written or here. So basically these two are the same, just in the matter of their order. Above case I have written the polynomial in the ascending power of the variable, and in the below one I have written the polynomial in the descending power of the variable, but both are same. So we can say polynomial does not depend on the order of power of variable, it just have contain only non-negative integral power of variable. Okay, now come the above general form of the polynomial are same unless in their order. As I told you, polynomial does not depend of the order, it only depends the power of the variable. Note, any polynomial can be written as ascending as well as in descending order. You can write in any order, either it is in ascending or it is in descending. Now again I have taken polynomial in general form px equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 up to an xn. Now one question arises from the above statement, that why polynomial is started from a naught with no variable. Now see, reason is here. As I told you that in polynomial the power of variable is not negative but can be 0. So a naught can be written as a naught x naught, because x to power 0 is 1, we all know. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. So whatever number you will take and its power will be 0, then its value will become 1. So note, now again next question comes in the mind, what is a naught, a1, a2 and so on up to an. Actually these are the coefficient of the variable and these are the real numbers, and we all know about real number, we have studied in class 9th also, that real numbers can be rational as well as irrational. So that is the basic concept of the polynomial. Now come to the example of polynomials. See, example I have written x to power 3 plus x to power 2 plus x to power 1 plus 1. Okay, see here you can see the power of variable is positive as well as it is integer, so it is a polynomial. Similarly 1 plus z cube, here variable is z and its power is 3, which is also non-negative integer, and this is also a polynomial. So these are the polynomials. Okay, now next thing is the degree of the polynomial. So what is degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial is basically the highest power of the variable x in the polynomial px. Means suppose I have written a polynomial px equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Now see what is variable here. Variable is x and the maximum power of variable here x to power 1 and here x to power 2. So what is the maximum power? The maximum power is 2, hence the degree of the polynomial will become 2. Similarly in this polynomial 4x square plus x cube plus 9. Now the question comes in the mind that why I have not written in the order. I have already told you polynomial does not depend of the order, it only depends of the power of the variable. See here the power of x is 2 and the power of x cube is 9, x is 3. So maximum power is 3, hence the degree will be 3. Now see another polynomial, that is px equal to 7. Now most of the student will see there is no variable, so how it can be polynomial? It is a polynomial. How? I will explain later. See here, px can also be written as px can also be written as 7 into x to power 0, and the value of x to power 0 I have already told you the if a number is having and its power is 0, so the number having power 0 is the value equal to 1. So here the degree of the polynomial will be equal to 0. So from that scenario we can see that a constant polynomial means there is no variable, so it can be also said constant polynomial, and the degree of the constant polynomial is always 0. Okay, now some questions for you. See, Now check whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomial or not. Okay, so see, px equal to 4x square plus x plus 7x cube upon x, px equal to 4 plus x cube upon x, and px equal to x plus 1 upon x. You have to find out which one is the polynomial and which one is the not the polynomial. Thank you.